Hey, welcome back to my channel, Expat Rebel. This is Chris here, and I'll be vlogging about my Mexican beach home renovation. I want to show you what my wife has been doing. So yesterday, she decided to get all her shelves. We bought some rocks at, believe it or not, Home Depot, these things, because she is going to do a piece right here. So here's the bar. There's the stairs to the main house. There's the bar. And this wall, which is on the side of the steam room. There's a pole. What's going on here? Is they're going to put in some special concrete here, and she's going to stick in shells in a nice sacred geometry type of pattern, what she's currently designing. And so they're going to do that, and they're going to shikun around it. So it'll have a nice finished look. The rest of the steam house will be shikumed as well. But here they're going to put some special concrete, and she'll put in her design. So it's something we wanted to do to make the place to us, a little artistic flair to it. We had thought about even on this wall, which is concrete, the top part that goes up, that in fact, we had it extended a month or two ago. That's shikun, but this is concrete. This, we could paint in a mural. We're still debating that, and there's no rush on that. We may just paint it. Or shikun the rest of it, actually. We do like the shikun finish, to say the least. That's really it for today. Since it's a day off for us, it's quiet. I'm going to go back and sit in my palapa right there with the view and enjoy a good book. But hey, if you like the video, make sure you hit the like, subscribe to the channel. If you're new here, I do a lot of these and sharing our experience being a U.S. American expat living in Mexico full time. We bought a house, and we are just currently renovating it. We're probably 2 weeks away from being done. The solar people are probably going to be the last people that will be here. And then we're going to take a break. Then we got a couple other projects, but we're not going to do that till next year. So we're going to be good because once we get the pool up and running, we're going to have everything we need. The steam room, the pool, our living space, the living rooms is fine and everything. And some of the other projects can honestly wait. No rush. We'll be very comfortable. We have what around here they call a Canadian standard on the house. So the electrical has been updated, the plumbing system, we have a water pressurizer system for the house. So it doesn't trickle sometimes because most people don't do that. They have just water on the roof, a tank, and they use gravity. So we actually, which is great when you're on the bottom floor. The shower in bottom form here is fantastic. But upstairs, it was horrible. So we added a pressurizer so that the master bathroom would have a decent shower. But now it does. It's cool. It's cool. It's just like down here. So subscribe to see more of that and our travels around Yucatan, Mexico. We love it here. That's why we moved here. And make sure if you got a comment or a question about doing a home renovation in Mexico, or any other questions you got, make sure you leave a comment with that and I'll answer back. I've had some good suggestions lately on some things to do, actually going into the pool and showing that what it's like before the water gets in there and everything was a recent suggestion. That was really great. Thank you to that person for telling me that. I really appreciate it. And if you want to get notified of videos when they come out, click on that bell notification and you will do that. All right. Until next time, I'll talk to you later. Bye.